Guys, welcome today to my channel. So guys, in today's video I've got a mini Chanel haul prepared for you guys. So I went shopping yesterday and these are the items that I bought. So the thing is, I wasn't planning to go shopping yesterday, but I got back from Curacao from a long trip and I was really tired. But during my holiday, I got a phone call from Hermes saying that they had the Chypre sandal in the color white for me. So I know that they have like a limited time that they can reserve something for you at the store. So as soon as I got back yesterday, I thought like I'm not going to sleep because otherwise I'm going to have like a really bad jet lag. So I just hopped into my car and was planning to buy the Chypre sandal in the color white. I've been waiting for such a long time for that color. But unfortunately, when I got there, the SA told me that there has been like a mixed up and that these sandals that were reserved for me were actually sold. So I was a little bit sad yesterday, but however, it was okay. He said that he would immediately just put another reservation for me, and when the sandals will get back in, then he will give me a call again. So I was a little bit bummed out. But I didn't want to go home because I was like so tired and I knew if I went back home I would just end up sleeping. So I decided to stay there and just look into the sources a little bit, and I ended up at Chanel's boutique. And as I said, I wasn't planning to buy anything, but there were some items that were on my wish list that I said, you know, if they have them like by accident, I would buy them. So the first item that they happened to have in stock yesterday were these beautiful pair of ballerinas. Now, I'm a sucker for Chanel shoes. Like, I really love their shoe collection, especially I'm a ballerina lover. So whenever they have like good ballerinas or beautiful ballerinas, I'm all for it. I'm just so happy that ballerinas are coming back in style. But I actually have been wearing them like since forever. I'm just like a huge ballerina lover. I think they're so feminine, so pretty. They go like so well with so many items. So I'm not only like a ballerina lover, but I also like their slim bags. I love the flat ones, but I also love the one with heels. So I already have many in my collection, but I wanted to really build up my neutral colors. So when I saw these ones, I was like over the moon by this color and I had to have them like for my collection. So you guys, these are the ballerinas that I bought. Let's open it together. So removing the lid and then let's see what is inside. We have like the shoe covers or bags. And then you guys, I'm so happy about this color. I really love it. So this is the color that I decided to go for. What do you guys think? I think they're so pretty. It's a darker gray and I already have like a light color gray sling bag, but these ones are going to be perfect for the summer, but I think also perfect for fall because these darker colors are like, oh, it's so good. So let me take one out to show you guys. So perfect, you guys, look at this color. Like, what do you guys think? I think it's so beautiful. It's so amazing. I love it. So I'm really in love with this one. And then I was actually there and I wanted to look a couple of times at their fine jewelry collection, but every time I come in, I'm like so swept by their shoe collection that I actually never get the time to look at their fine jewelry collection. But I had some things on my wish list. Now, this SA yesterday, she was so nice and lovely. And she took a look at my jewelry that I was wearing. She said, I might have like something that you will love. And the moment that she said that, I knew that she was talking about the Coco Crush ring. And this ring has been on my wish list for a really long time. But for some reason, it always gets like a little bit behind because I always find other jewelries to have like priority. Like there's so many beautiful jewelry pieces, you guys, and I'm definitely a jewelry lover. So whenever I see like something that's really beautiful, I have to have it and it goes up my wish list. So my jewelry wish list is actually really long. So the Coco Crush ring was on it. And I really, really liked it. So the moment that she said so, I was like, I hope you're talking about the Coco Crush, but I knew that she was talking about that. So she took me on that side, and she actually showed me a beautiful combination that I would never ever came up with. But the moment that I saw it, I was like, this is perfect. This is what I needed, because as you guys know, I bought two rose gold necklaces a couple of months ago, and I needed something to go with it. And a lot of you guys said, oh no, I'm seeing like a bracelet coming up. And I definitely have a bracelet coming up that is in rose gold, but I don't have that one yet. It is on my wish list. However, I'm talking too much. I'm going to show you guys what I bought. So the first one, let me show you guys. It comes like in this beautiful Chanel box. It's black. It's just like simple but gorgeous. And then inside you will find the jewelry box itself. Inside you also have like the Chanel certificate that comes with the ring. And then inside you have the Coco Crush ring, you guys. And I love this one because I've noticed that not many have this ring, and it's been like on my wish list, as is it now, for a really long time, and it is something that not many have and wear. So I bought this one, amazingly in the color rose gold, and it will match perfectly with my Van Cleef & Arpels necklaces that I've just bought. So this one is in the size 51 that fits my ring finger like perfectly, and it is also in the larger size because you do have a smaller Coco Chanel ring. But I think this is like perfect on this finger. It's just so gorgeous. I love it. It is so classic, so chic. Now, you might think like, you know, okay, that is it. But the combination that she showed me in, I was like so in love. I felt like in love with that exact combination. So I got here another box, and it also holds a jewelry box in it. By the way, you guys, gotta love the color, like black and white, representing Chanel. So cute. So in it is another Coco Crush ring, but this is in the small size. So you can see this one is a lot thinner. And this one is actually in the color yellow gold. You see that, you guys? So this is yellow gold, and this one is rose gold. There is like a slight difference in the color, but I like the fact that also Chanel doesn't overdo the rose gold as much. So it does has like a pink color in it, a pink tone in the rose gold, which is why it's called rose gold. However, it's not as rosé, as pinkish as the one from Hermes. And as you guys know, with the Van Cleef & Arpels, there's also like a subtle rose gold there that I really love. So this is how I'm planning to wear them like together. Like I want to wear them on my ring finger like this. Like, isn't this gorgeous? I love it. You guys, really, it's so cute. And I really like the subtlety of it, and it goes really well with my bracelet stack. I have them like this now today, so I really love it. You guys, look at this. It goes so well. So these are the items that I bought yesterday at Chanel. I'm so happy with them because I think it's a beautiful addition to my jewelry collection, but also to my shoe collection. I really love those shoes, and I cannot wait to start wearing them. So as I said, I just bought them yesterday, so this is actually me wearing them for the first time. So I'm just going to keep them on like this. And I think also it's great to kind of like have another set of rings to mix it up with my perlé ring, the one that I've been wearing kind of like nonstop for, I know, like right now. So it's a great addition to kind of like change it up and kind of like have something else to put on my finger. Like it's so cute. I really love it. these are the items that I wanted to show you guys today. I really hope that you love them. Let me know in the comment box down below what do you think of the Chanel Coco ring, and also do you guys also love the Chanel shoes as much as I do? Also share that in the comment box down below. For now, thank you so much for being here, and I wish you guys a lovely week, and until my next one, bye.